Welcome back, everybody, to day number 12. We got some fun stuff planned for today. You ready to eat, Lily? Coraline, come on. It's time to eat. And I'll share more with you right after the intro. Welcome back, you guys. And I'm going to be making French toast and eggs for everybody this morning. So we got to get the eggs out, French toast, get everything and get it started. So I'm going to time lapse this. I hope you get to hear what I'm saying. I'm going to time lapse this and make breakfast for everybody. So enjoy. Alright guys, I got a couple things here. I got the vanilla extract, which is what I forgot last time in the eggs, so let's go ahead and get that in there. We have the cinnamon. Then I have some protein powder. Alright guys, now that I got the French toast going in the mixer back there, I'm going to make eggs for Christina, Easton, and I, so that we have breakfast this morning, and then they can have French toast to go along with it. But we'll have to go to the store and buy more bread because I only have like half a loaf. So, just so I have meal prep for tomorrow or next week, but let's keep it moving, y'all. Alright guys, I just got done getting ready for the day. I'm all showered up. I got a good meal in my system since I made breakfast this morning. I'm going to go to the gym, get a little leg workout because they're feeling kind of tiny. So I'm going to do that. And then after that, I'm going to try to meet up with the girl that made the complaint about the headset not working. She teaches a class today at 3 o'clock. So I'm going to get over there and just make sure that it's still working correctly for her so that she doesn't have any problems with that. And if there is another problem where I didn't see the problem yesterday, I'll be there to fix it on the spot. So let's get on down the road and get this workout started. Alright you guys, that wraps it up for a workout for me. I'm going to head down to ladies. She's going to be teaching a class, so I'm not going to bring the camera in there. Them ladies aren't too crazy about guys in general coming in that gym, so I definitely ain't going to bring it in during a class. But if I see something like way crazy, I'll let you guys know. Other than that, I'm going to head, next time I'll see you, I'll be at the house, and I'll share with you guys one of my cool edits from this week. I think that's what I'm going to do with the rest of the night. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums it up for the weekend. I had a lot of fun, that accomplished a lot. I'm pretty proud of what I got done. I even got some work stuff knocked out of the way, so that's a win on that. If you guys are liking my content, please be sure to hit the like, follow, subscribe button down below. And the last thing I'm going to be sharing with you guys is an edit of my favorite picture of the week, which is this picture of Easton, which is really cool. I think that we'll be able to pull a lot of really cool colors out of it. Maybe even get like some Brandon Wolfwell style photography going on here. So let's get into it.